Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make tuna in water. First, select high-quality canned tuna packed in water, not oil, for a lighter, healthier option. Next, thoroughly drain the tuna using a can opener or a fine mesh sieve to remove all excess liquid. This step is crucial for achieving the right texture and preventing a watery result. Finally, gently flake the drained tuna with a fork in a bowl, breaking it into small, even pieces. This prepares it perfectly for mixing with your favorite additions. Now, let's elevate that flavor. A simple squeeze of fresh lemon juice can instantly brighten your tuna, adding a zesty kick. For a delightful crunch and added texture, try mixing in some finely chopped celery or red onion. If you prefer a creamier consistency, a tablespoon of mayonnaise or Greek yogurt works wonderfully. Feel free to experiment with different herbs like fresh dill or chives to personalize your creation even further. These small additions make a big difference. Once your tuna is perfectly mixed, it's time to enjoy. A classic way to serve it is on whole wheat bread for a satisfying sandwich or with your favorite crackers for a quick snack. It also makes an excellent protein boost for fresh salads, adding substance and flavor to your greens. For a light and easy lunch, spoon it into lettuce wraps. And sometimes, when you need a super quick meal, simply enjoying it straight from the bowl is perfectly delicious and convenient. For any leftovers, store your prepared tuna in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days to maintain freshness. A great tip for an extra layer of flavor is to incorporate fresh herbs like dill or parsley just before serving. They add a wonderful aroma and taste. And speaking of staying fresh, remember to stay hydrated throughout your day. For a fantastic way to do that, check out the Oala water bottle. You can find a link to it, along with other great deals, in the description below this video.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.